Welcome you all. Due to COVID-19, we are all staying at home and passing a boring time. So this is our little effort from Chattogram Online School to continue our classes. Let me first introduce myself. This is Shuronjit De, State Teacher English, Jamal Khan Kusum Kuwari City Government Girls High School, Chattogram. Today, I am going to share a topic from English for today. So dear learners, look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? Yes, you are right. Shamima with the two customers in her shop. How does she look? She looks very happy. What is your opinion about her present condition? In spite of spending a miserable married life, she is ever beautiful. So dear students, can you guess what we are going to learn today? Yes, you all are right. Our today's topic is on Ever Beautiful Shamima, Unit 5, Lesson 3, page number 53. So dear learners, open at page number 53 from your English for today. This is the learning outcomes of the lesson. After the end of the lesson, you will be able to ask and answer questions, talk about picture, read and understand text. So first of all, I would like to share some vocabularies with you that will be very helpful for you to understand the text. The first one is outer. Look at the picture. There is a picture of a sweater. When do we use it? During winter. Why do we use it? To protect ourselves from cold, and we use it externally. So outer means external. Wow, there is a picture of bondage of friendship. So bow means promise. Now dignity. All we know who she was, who she is. She is Mother Teresa. She is a dignified lady in the world. She is dignified because of her humanitarian tasks. She is respected by all. So dignity means respect. Next, ill-fated. So what do you see in the picture? They are trying to catch something. Actually, they are Rohingya refugees. They are very unlucky. So ill-fated means unlucky. Products. There are some necessary articles in the shops. These are very necessary for our women. So product means, yes, you are right. Products means articles. The last one is grass. The two of them express their anger to one another. So what does grass mean? Grass means anger. So dear learners, we have already finished some vocabularies, data related to our today's topic. Now activity A. Look at the picture. There is a picture of Shamima talk about the picture and read the questions. 1. Who did Shamima work with? 2. What is Shamima's present name? Activity B. Now read the text and ask and answer the above questions. So after reading the text, we have to answer the above questions. So dear students, I am going to read the text. Listen to me carefully. Let me start. Shamima's misery started the day she was married. Her husband was a greedy person and he used to abuse her verbally and physically. Within a few months into her marriage, she had to leave her husband Kamaluddin Jodhar. Now, Shamima was to work with women who were ill-fated like her. She has 43 female members in her organization working for her. She herself trains the members and then provides them with work. She designs fabrics, makes block print, brush paint and hand embroidered sarees. She also makes three-piece dresses for women and fatwas for men. She sells these products in her shop and supplies them outside too. Shamima has a dream now, a dream to do something for the helpless people. She wants them to feel useful. They can live with self-respect and dignity. With this in view, she goes out looking for such people. Shamima finished her story with a smile. Shamima has no complaints, no regrets, no grudges. Her husband could destroy her outer beauty, but not the beauty of her mind. All she wants to do is to bring a smile on the faces of those women who are unfortunate. Shamima wants to become a famous designer. Okay, dear learners, we have finished reading the text. So now, answer the questions. Who did Shamima work with? Yes, Shamima worked with the unlucky and ill-fated women like her. Shamima worked with the unlucky and ill-fated women like her. What is Shamima's present dream? Yes, Shamima's present dream is to do something for the helpless people. Shamima's present dream is to do something for the helpless people. So now, activity C. Discuss both the terms in groups, outward beauty and beauty of mind, and answer the following questions. What do you understand by her husband could destroy her outward beauty but not the beauty of her mind? So what we have to do? We have to form groups and then discuss the two terms, outward beauty and beauty of mind. Let me share something with you. The first one is outward beauty. So what does outward beauty mean? Outward beauty is the beauty that is visible from outside. It is skin deep, which is temporary. It could lose its charm at any time. Now, beauty of mind. Beauty of mind is divine and spiritual. It is permanent and nobody could destroy it or nobody can harm it. So dear learners, now write the answer of the questions. Her husband could destroy her outer beauty but not the beauty of her mind. By the expression, we understand that her husband could destroy the charm of her physical beauty, but he couldn't destroy her willpower and determination to become a famous person and to do something for the ill-fated women like her. Dear students, we have already finished activity A, B and C. So now there is another activity for you, that is D. True or false? If false, give the correct information. Number 1. Shamima's husband destroyed her. Number 2. Shamima promised to stand beside the helpless women. 3. She has some trainers to train the women of her organization. Number 4. Shamima wants to become a wealthy person to help others. So the first one is Shamima's husband destroyed her. All we know that Shamima's husband could destroy her physical beauty but not the beauty of her mind. So the first one is false. And the correct one is Shamima's husband could destroy her outer beauty but not the beauty of her mind. Number 2. Shamima promised to stand beside the helpless people. Yes, you are right. Shamima promised to stand beside the helpless woman. So it is a true statement. The statement is true. Number 3. She has some trainers to train the women of her organization. Yes, you are also right. This is a false statement. So the correct one is she herself trains the women of her organization. The last one is Shamima wants to become a wealthy person to help others. Yes, this is also false. And the correct one is Shamima wants to become a famous designer. Dear learners, we are already done. We have completed 4 activities there. Here, activity A, talk about picture. Activity B, read the text. And there is the activity of group work. There is activity of group work, that is C. And finally, there is evaluation part, that is activity D, true false. Now we are going to write a home task. Dear students, take note from it. Find a person in your locality who has succeeded in the face of difficulties and write a paragraph on that successful person. So we have to find out a person who has succeeded in the face of difficulties and then write a paragraph on that successful person. So you can use the clues: name, age, relation with you, point of success, why to appreciate, etc. Dear learners, we are going to finish our today's class. I hope you have written the home tasks and you will be able to find a successful person in your locality and will be able to write a paragraph on that person. So now it is time to say goodbye. I would like to say goodbye to you. Before that, I would like to thank you all for staying us.